Kublai pi baro ngi pedang sngobai pi chikutup kubor mentaga janmit. Shwaban paish ki kubor ki babnya ngi pechwai ki mat bakongsan. Sakhi baro artli ki ing dorbar thawan ke parlimen ya ka jing sange shong dorbar hadien ka jing thot ke balami na ka jing kan tho jong Rahul Gandhi bat ki wei de ki mat. Kamukro kadai ke beladan lupa hapo jong kejala Meghalaya, Ong Menteri Rangba kejala Konrad K. Sangma. Yokem ki pulit ya armut ki basubadon kti hagabayadei bagajing syak penyap jong ba Ilyas Rindong, Ong sembut Menteri Rangba kejala iba Preston Tensong. Batchna ketenat ke rep keriang, ya ka portal ban pentip halor ke dor kemur jeng ki mar rep, bat ki so ki pai ong ka menteri ketenat ke rep keriang ke jela ikong amperin lingdo. Ki kubor ki babnya, kajing kentho jong Rahul Gandhi halor ke rukam sensyar pajba hakari, baria kamat jong ka Adani Group, kalayai beteng ban pentut ya kajing yat bet ke dorbar hakayeng dorbar Lok Sabha, bat ke Raja Sabha mentah kesengi kumju. Hapadeng gajing perta baro artli ki ing dorbar kila hap ban sange shong dorbar hadu ar baje janmit. Hakayeng dorbar Lok Sabha haba ka yeng kalai kendu henne ka step ki dukhot jong ka Congress DMK NCP bat kiwei kila mi syakmat bat sedang bandawai ka Joint Parliamentary Committee ban tokit halor ka kam ka bayadei bak Adani Group. Ulam phang ka yeng berlau la kentui ki dukhot ki ba persha ban let phai shala ki jaka shong bat ban penne e ka jingsuk hakayeng. Hakayeng dorbar Raja Sabha la sakhi kumkani kumju hi ka jinglong. Haba ka yeng kala lum hne ka step unong penyat ujagdip dhankar shim la aijing bet ban pentip ban pensange shong dorbar keblawan ra da kaliang persha halor jong kamat ka Adani Group. Menteri Rangba kejala Konrad K. Sangma ulo ong bakamukro kadai kebeladan lupa hapo jong kejala Meghalaya. Yakani Konrad Sangma ulo jubab ya kejingbu jengkeli jong MLA keseng Voice of the People Party VPP MLA na North Shillong iba Adelbert Nongrum haka kenta keli jengkeli haka dorbar mangtengka jong kayeng dorbar menta kesengi. Ulo ong syusyu bakamukro ke badan ha West Jante Hills District kahap hapo ke Lasken Block bat kinong syong shnong jong kani kathan ki yo ikejing mentoiling ba jong sorka jela. UMLA jong kaseng VPP ubana nongkrem iba Arden Basayomot ilabu ika jingkali kentup halor ka daw babalay ki briw hakijaka kapot ki im hapdeng ka jingtieng jing smith. Haba jubab yakani Menteri Rangba ka jela uloong bagi jingja ki belaja bat ki wede ki jing e na kamat penbet put ka bampat la ban penbet ka day ka daw ba baka sorkar kala shim yaki lat kelenti ban penklan yaki bor pahara hapo ki jaka kapot bat ru kala yai beteng ban penlong yaki jing yakren bat ka Assam.
Government of Meghalaya that has emboldened the counterparts even to outrightly claim Mukro inside the Assam Assembly. So may I know what actually is the reason, sir?
And hence, as mentioned, that we have gone ahead and sanctioned new border outpost, new police stations, and we have enhanced the manpower, and all these different aspects and infrastructure work also will start there. So all this infrastructure in terms of security, so all these aspects will overall lead to ensure that our manpower and our police force is increased and our presence is felt so that there's a sense of confidence among our people. While we do that, it is also very important that we are continuously in touch with the other side.
Usembut Menteri Rangba kejala iba khmiru yaki kampo yeng iba Preston Tensong ila pentip bagi pulit kila yo ban kem ya armut ki briu ki bla subadon kti hagajing sya penyap jong ba Ilyas Rindong ha paham maulen arpomail. Haba jubab ya kejingkeli haga 0A notice belabu do MLA kaseng United Democratic Party nanong po iba Emerald Bonds im haga dorbar mangtengka jong kayeng dorbar thawan ke jela menta kesengi iba Tensong ila ong bagi bor pulit kedang yele ban tokit halor keni ke jingjia la ban penken mau balalap ya kamet jong iba Rindong ibalah new pau ke snem garta naga lingkha dangshen tang hapo khandiat por ban naga jing state jong ki pulit ke ribhoi la yo ban kem no ya armut ki briu naga shnong paham maulen ka bahap hapo ka bernihat police outpost.
Expedite possibility to nab the culprit at the earliest so that he can be booked as per the law of the land. This is my submission to this 0 hour notice.
connection, a criminal case was registered by Nongpok PS case number 26 in bracket 03 2023 U/S 302 IPC, and investigation of the case is in progress. Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to inform the members of this August House that the police is leaving no stone unturned, and early this morning they were able to arrest 2 suspects relating to this case.
Kementeri Jangkatanat Karep Karyang Gajalang ikong Amperin Lingdo ila pentip bakatanat Karep Karyang Galashna ya ka portal ban pentip syapang kador kamur jangki mar rep bat kisok ki pai na baro ki district ha ka ba kador la ban yo malagasngi hababu iga jingkali kentup ha ka kenta kali jingkali ha ka dorbar mangtingka jangka ying dorbar thawan menta kasngi UMLA ka seng United Democratic Party namu ka yaw iba nu jor ki sungo ila kedau bakinong rep sing kila hab bandia ya ki mar jangki ha ka dor artingka hadu lai tingka shikilo kabalong kabaduna bha habayinu jor bagajing penlut jongki ban rep yus ing iba sungo ila kentu ya ka menteri ban shimkhia halor kani bar ban pentri kam ya ka market intervention scheme habaro ka wiga jala khnang bakinong rep kenla ban yo jing mentoy na kani ka scheme.
Question is whether any farmers has been benefited from this MIS and I want to know how much.
So the market intervention scheme or the MIS is an ad hoc scheme implemented by the Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, for procurement of agricultural and horticultural commodities in the states. Lakadong, turmeric, for example, is a USP of the state. We are working on ginger. We're working on the pineapple. So in fact, through the various interventions, we have formed the FPOs, the FPCs. So we're also looking at provision of marketing facilities through the collective marketing centers.
Office Jongka District Mission Coordinator SSA West Jante Hills halor ka jingthmu ban kantiu ya kapuli puthi kumbala batai ha ka RTE Act 8000 khandai hinin ka sngi kala pinlong ya ka training program nagabenta ki principal ki head teacher jongki school ba pher ha ka inclusive education resource center mi mintu ya kani ka training la pinlong khnang ban ai jing hikai ki khna ki badan kam ya ka jing hikai ka bakar pang lani ki children with special needs nagabenta ki bor pinya school shaphang ka hok ba ki khna school ki ban yo kat kum jongka RPWD Act 8000 khan riu Kinong ye shembanta ki long na ka SSA i Mary G Moment i block resource person na inclusive education haring kat bat u LK Singh u coordinator ka IE SSA ki bala batai bat ai jing hikai halor ka inclusive education bat ki ar phwait li gi ja jingpang ki bahap hapo jongka RPWD Act 8000 khan riu ka Bhopal ka balong ka nongba jongka jala Meghalaya Madhya Pradesh Kalada pan krum na kabanta ka jingple perdaya ka ISSF Shooting World Cup mentagasngi. Ulisiano Rossi, President ka International Shooting Sports Federation, but Raninder Singh, President ka National Rifle Association of India, kilayadan lang hakane ka program play. Menteri rang ba ka jila Madhya Pradesh, Shivraj Singh Chauhan ulalong ukongsan hakane ka program play perda. Menteri rang ba ula pleru lingba ka video ya ka final hall ka bathamai ha ka MP State Shooting Academy ka ISSF World Cup Rifle Pistol Championship kan sasaki ya baro ki shpautli ki jingele kai final ha ki san silenter ka bansdang na dula shai ka sngi mintapat ngine pe ka jinglong jingman ka sun baneng hashlong Kajing shit kalong kat pra 0.1 ba kajing kreat kalong kandai 0.0 Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau kalong kandai 0.0 na kishis pa min step but pra pu pra na kishis pa janmin. Kala bandan kajing hap slap haki babun ki benta hashlong bat ki jaka ba marjan. Sa shisien pat ngipin kan mau yapi ba ka kubor jingi pila ruban page ha ka joko por ka YouTube channel but pila ban page ki kubor ba malaga singi ha ka Facebook, Twitter but Instagram jong ka DD News Shillong. Shwaban poish ka bakut jong thup kubor ngini pej biang sai siani ki mat bakong san Sakhi baro atli ki indor ba thawan ka parliament ya ka jing sange shong darbar hadin ka jing thut ka balami na ka jing kan tho jong Rahul Gandhi bat ki wei de ki man Kamukro kadai kebeladan lupa hapo jong kejala Meghalaya. Ong Menteri Rambak Kejala Konrad K. Sangma. Yokem ki pulit ya armut ki basuba don kti hagabayadei bagajing sya penyap jong uba Elias Rendong ong usembut Menteri Rambak Kejala iba Preston Tensong. Bachna katinet ke rap karyang ya ka portal ban pentip halor ka dor kamur jong ki ma rap bat kiso ki pai ong ka menteri katinat ke rap karyang ka jala ikong amperin lingdo. Ti parlok katung ila poi syaga bekut jong ka thup kubor jong imenta ka janmit hadu bangidai syambiang bat pila syai kesngi kublai pi baro.